Hi guys, welcome to the video. This video we're going to learn about cell references. Is that how formulas work inside cells? Okay. The first one is a relative reference. I'll just show you with an example. As you can see in this table, I have like 6 students. I have their marks for the 3 subjects: physics, math and chemistry. Okay. Now we have to find the total marks scored by the students. For that, what you can do is you need to sum physics mark with math and chemistry. How you can do that? You can do it through formula, Excel formulas. Okay, let me just, I'll plus C4, which is student 1 physics mark, plus D4 plus E4. Okay, when I press enter, so the total marks scored by student 1 is 175. Okay, and I can do the same thing for other 5 students, but it will take some time. There's an easy way to do it. It's by, all you need to do is first select the first cell where you have written the formula, and when you go to the bottom right hand side corner, you'll see the cursor will change into a plus sign. Okay, once you see this sign, double click the cell and the formula gets copied to the cells below. Okay, if you see for student number 4 scored 198, if you see the formula, wait, I'll just show you how you can see the formula in Excel. You should go to formulas and select show formulas. Okay, once you select that option, you can able to see formulas in the entire worksheet. Wherever you have written formulas, everything will be visible. Okay, as you can see, the first student 1 is C4 D4 plus E4, but for student 3, Excel has automatically changed it to C6 D6 and E6, which is C6 is actually is physics mark, D6 is math marks, and E6 is chemistry marks. Okay, so this is called relative references. Okay, I'll just hide formulas. Okay, so this is one, and the next one is absolute reference. Okay, here we need to find the total and we need to find the average marks scored by every student. Okay, for total, same like last example, all you need to do is plus 3 marks. Then you can even copy paste the formulas. Control V, it's done. Okay, so now the formula has been copied. The way to find the average is, what is the total marks scored by the student divided by what is the total marks combining all 3 subjects. That is, each subject is for 100 marks, so 3 subject is 300. So you need to divide total divided by 300. When you press enter, student 1 is scored, average mark scored by is student 1 is 58%. If you copy the same formula for rest of the cells, you see this, the what we did in the example 1, when we do the same thing in example 2 for absolute reference, it is not working. Okay, we'll just go and view the formula, what has happened. You see this, for student 1 it is F13, which is the total marks scored by the student, divided by 300, which is in F11. Okay, so this is right. When you look for student 2, it has taken F14, okay, divided by F12. F12 is total, it is not dividing it by 300. Okay, so what happens is, for this you need to log this 300. Okay, I'll show you how. Because this 300 is, all these totals should be divided by 300. So this 300 is common for all the rows. Okay, in that case, what you can do is, Let me just double click it and show you. This F11 should be locked. When you double click the cell, you'll see the cursor blinking. That time use F4 key to add the dollar sign. Once I click F4, you see this dollar sign which comes before the F and before the 11. Okay, it means that F11 will be locked. All I need to do is press enter. Now I can copy this formula and I can paste in the other cells. You'll get the answer. Okay. So now if you go to formulas and show formula, you see this F11 is locked for all the students. Okay, cancel this. Now we have got the answer, right answer. Okay, and there's also another references called mixed reference. I'll do a separate video on that because it is a little complicated compared to relative and absolute reference. So I'll do a separate video on that. Okay, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, give a thumbs up. Please do share it with your friends, and see you in the next video with another content. Thank you.